Blue tea, or butterfly pea flower tea, is a caffeine-free herbal concoction, made by steeping dried or fresh leaves of the Clitoria ternatea plant. The best thing about the blue tea is that it is absolutely caffeine-free, and it is packed with antioxidants. Is blue tea a new concept? No. Blue tea has been around in the market for ages. They are regularly being purchased by tea connoisseurs around the world for their various health benefits and uses.